this lonesome stretch. Headlights cut the dark, empty lane and memory, both are leaving marks. Then the dial lands just right and it knocks me off my track. That song comes pouring through and it all comes rushing back. We danced to it in summer beneath the county fair lights. You whispered every word like the tune was made that night. Now it's only me and echoes in the hum of tires that roll. That song cracks open pieces buried deep inside my soul. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. It cuts like a line I can't let go. That song on the radio. I try to turn the volume down, but silence hurts the same. Between the past and moving on, I'm stranded in the frame. Every mile is another verse pulling at my chest. That song reminds me clearly of the love I lost, the rest. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. It cuts like a line I can't let go. That song on the radio. If I could change the station in my heart, I would tonight. But that melody keeps playing, turning wrong into almost right. That song on the radio takes me where I shouldn't go, back to arms I used to know, back to love I let slip slow. It cuts like a line I can't let go. That song on the radio. Headlights fade, horizon glows, but I'm still stuck where that song goes. I got a cooler in the back, a map on my knee, a playlist of old songs, new memories. The sky's burning peach and the road runs wide. The only thing missing is you by my side. Let's take the county roads where the pine trees lean, past rusted out barns and fields of green. I'll trade the city noise for your sweet laugh. Let's get a little lost and never look back. Ride shotgun with me, roll the window down, let the wind mess up that pretty crown. From gravel roads to the big blue sea, don't need a plan, just you and me. We'll chase the sun till the stars agree. Come on and ride shotgun with me. We'll find a diner with a screen door squeak, split a slice of pie, maybe stay all week. We'll dance in a parking lot under string lights, two hearts beating like tires at night. Ride shotgun with me, roll the window down, let the wind mess board lines, just a full tank and borrowed time. We'll write our story in mile markers and songs. Every wrong turn just where we belong. So ride shotgun with me, kick your feet on the dash, laugh like kids, let the world fly past. From river bends to hills that rise, we'll chase the day, then count fireflies wherever we go. Whatever we see, I just want you